What is up, mis amigos? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today we're gonna get this engine disassembled. First, we got to do a little bit of work in the garage. We got to pull the truck out. We got to put the hood back on first. We're gonna pull it out into the street to hold it out there. That way we can create some room in here. So that way we can work. And yeah, so let's get to it.
Let's push it.
Alright guys, so we got the truck out of the garage, cleared up a little area so that we can finally start disassembling the motor here. Quite a bit of work ahead of us. I think we're gonna start off by taking off the pulleys and everything. Start taking off all this up here in the front, and then probably go to the valve covers and then get the heads off or the intake manifold off and everything. So. Now we ready?
Hopefully.
All right.
Ha!
Yeah. Ha ha. You ready to come out? Oh boy. Oh boy.
You ready for the inside or what?
Yeah.
See what it looks like?
Hey, we got a tree growing in there.
Do we? Oh yeah, look at that.
Hello.
There it is.
Hello.
There it is.
Woo. I don't think it looks too bad.
Yeah, that doesn't look too bad.
Looks all right.
Where's this come from?
What is that? A nut?
I think it was in there.
Oh.
Did I throw it in there or was it already
That's
in there?
Mike, dog. That's Mike's fault.
Yeah. I'm gonna put it in there.
Any problem you see wrong with this engine, you blame Mike, all right? So whenever you see Mike, you tell him it's your fault.
What? It doesn't look too bad though.
It don't look bad at all, man. I think we got ourselves a winner. All right, cool. So what's next? Go get the puller or what?
It up. Oh, God damn, guys.
All right. Hey, we just had to take a little break real quick. Had to go get some pulley pullers. One for the harmonic balancer, one for the power steering pump. You know how we do. We're just out here hanging out, having fun. We're gonna get back. We're gonna try to get them pulleys off, and you know, bro, you're not even paying attention to what you're recording.
Yeah, I am, bro. I'm just, you know, hey, man.
This guy's toast already, man.
Yeah. It's all right though.
It's too much, man. It's been a long week.
It has.
But you know, we're just gonna pull these pulleys off and maybe take the oil pan off and we'll probably call it a day.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
All right, we're back. We made it back.
Made it back, man. Ready.
We're gonna...
There she is, man. Look, show it to them.
Can I flip the camera on here?
I don't know.
Oh, I don't think I can. No. All right, there she is.
Decided what color we're gonna paint it.
Another day in the life. I say we just, I don't know, man. I want to do a white, but I say we just maybe keep it the same color, dude.
So?
I don't know, man. I really don't. I really don't. All right, we made it back. We're here, ready to knock this out. Check this out. We're back. We're just chilling. So here's a little update for you. We got most of the pulleys off. We're about to get this harmonic balancer off, hopefully, and this power steering pump. And yeah, and maybe we'll get the oil pan off today. I'm not too sure, but I think if anything, that's probably where we're gonna stop, and we'll try to get this other exhaust manifold off. And yeah, get moving. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna have to like
Squeeze out. Once I bolt this in there, it should push out with the whole pulley. So
you sure you know what you're doing?
We'll find out, right? If I break the pulley, it's just another part we gotta buy.
Oh,
you like
man.
that?
That's a good mentality to have.
There you go, man. How you gonna learn if you don't try? Thanks for holding my hose.
Are we good or what?
Yeah, hold up, I think. We'll find out right now when it doesn't pop out.
When it doesn't pop out. For real, dog.
Give me, what you got?
I got a 19.
That's the biggest you got?
Yeah.
Oh, damn, right on the money, dog.
That's how I do it, you know what I'm saying?
You ready or what?
Nope.
Me neither, because I don't know if it's going to work or not.
It's coming.
I believe so. Is that it?
There's a gap in the back.
That's what I'm saying. Is that gap normal?
Sure, I don't know.
I
I've never done this before.
I don't think it is, man. I think I'm pulling the crank out with it.
Why would you do that?
Oh, dude, I'm fucking it up, bro.
Are you?
Yeah, big time.
I thought we done messed up. Nah, we got it. It's coming. It's about to come off, actually.
Cool.
Here comes the harmonic balancer. Yes, sir. All right.
Cool.
You live and you learn. There it is,
guys.
Yes, sir. Cool.
All right, man. Now, I'm gonna take this first.
So the guy showed that you got these two. Okay, you want to hold this real quick?
I'll hold it for you. You go ahead and do it, man.
You got these two thingamajigs here, and apparently one side I already forgot which side it was. Might be this side. I think the bigger side goes to the bolt. Apparently it goes here or something like that. Which I don't even fit either.
A smaller one, maybe.
Oh, you know what I'm missing? There's something. No, what? Maybe it's the other way.
Tighten up by hand first.
Uh-huh. You're smart. We're gonna have to hold it with something here. Alright.
Let's go. Ah, shit. Go.
Jesus.
Is that it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Success.
That's it, man.
Success. What you thinking? It's shot or what?
Yeah, we might have fucked it up. We might have messed it
Whatever.
up.
We'll blame the.
We blame Mike.
We'll blame Mike. Yeah, Mike messed everything up, guys.
Yeah.
Mike messed his whole motor up. Power steering pump. I think we could just get by with removing the bracket, maybe.
Take off the whole thing.
No, we gotta take off the power steering pump. That's the whole reason why.
Do we?
Yeah. That's the whole reason why we couldn't get the whole thing off in the first place. Hello.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Power steering pump removed. We put those suckers back in here. What you think? Reman or what? Just get a reman after all?
No.
No, I'm just playing.
We're too far in for that.
Nah, I want to remanufacture instead.
Yeah, let's just change the plan, guys.
Thank you. One more.
Yeah, too close for comfort, man.
My fault. There she blows.
You're lying.
Pun intended.
No, you're lying.
One more.
Yeah.
That's on my vibe, dogs. Oh, wasn't this a different size?
Don't know.
Luckily, she's loose.
Man, that's it, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Before you know it, man, we'll be opening up a shop.
Yep. We'll be opening up a shop, building hot rods.
Let's get through this one first, man.
Dream big, dog. Dream big. Make some penetrating going on. Take the exhaust manifold off or what?
Yeah, take it off, man. Might as well. Call it a night.
Or take the oil pan off too.
Nah, we'll just take the exhaust manifold.
Okay.
Call it.
Sounds good. All right, guys, another successful day out here. We got the engine disassembled. Not as far as we wanted to get, but pretty good amount. Check it out. So we got all the pulleys off and everything. Got the tools to get that off. Never used them before, but we got it. And let's see what else we got. The exhaust manifolds, we took that off. The intake manifold. I think that's pretty much about it. And then the valve covers, obviously, you can see here. And then that's pretty much it. I guess we'll continue next time with removing the oil pan and then get down to the crankshaft and camshaft and all that.
Take off the heads and stuff.
Take off the heads, yeah, exactly. So, should be good. But this is how far we got today. Making progress, slowly getting there. Slowly but surely. We'll have to also clean it next time. Hopefully it'll be ready for that.
All right, guys, appreciate y'all watching. You saw DIYs, man. We're learning our own as we go, and some of these tools, yeah, you know.
Heck yeah. We're out here getting it done, man. First engine that we're ever going to rebuild. And this is our little project truck, man. We're making progress on it. We're moving forward. But hit that like button if you like the video. Also, make sure to subscribe. Stay up to date because we're going to try to take you guys along for the whole journey. And that's it, man. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Haters.